Looking for the best power tool brands before making your next purchase? Whether you're a DA enthusiast, homeowner, contractor, or professional tradesperson, choosing the right brand can make a huge difference in performance, durability, and overall value. In today's video, we're counting down the best power tool brands you should reach for first. From industry-leading cordless systems to heavy-duty professional tools, we'll cover the brands that consistently deliver power, reliability, and innovation. Stick around to find out which brands earned a spot on our list and discover the perfect tools for your next project. If you'd like to check current prices, specifications, and other details, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Now, let's get started with our top 7 power tool brands. First up, we have the Craftsman V20 Cordless Ratchet Wrench. Is there a more iconic tool brand than Craftsman? One of the best power tool brands. Your dad, your granddad, maybe even your great-granddad probably had at least one Craftsman tool, and very likely way more than that. Founded in 1927 as the in-house tool brand for Sears, though the tools themselves were built by third parties with their own strong reputations and branded Craftsman for sale through Sears. Craftsman built a name for quality by offering a lifetime warranty for decades. Since 2017, Craftsman has been owned by Stanley Black & Decker. Those two legendary tool companies merged in 2010. It may just be me, but when I think Craftsman, I think of a tool that fits in one hand and has multiple uses, and the Craftsman V20 Cordless Ratchet Wrench fits the bill. It has a variable speed of up to 300 revolutions per minute, RPM, and 35 foot-pounds of torque. Other features include the ability to switch between powered and manual operation, and a light-emitting diode, LED, light that illuminates the work area. This is certainly an exceptionally handy handyman's tool. Note, the battery and charger are sold separately, and the days of lifetime no questions asked warranties are over. But Craftsman does guarantee its power tools for 12 months. Next on our list is the dewalt 20V Max XR Impact Driver. Another brand dating back to the 1920s, dewalt was a household name among professionals. Pros were discovering the hardcore reliability of dewalt, which was founded in 1924 by Raymond Dewalt, who invented the radial arm saw. The brand, bought by Black & Decker in 1960, and now a corporate stablemate of Craftsman, sold the radial saw branch of the company in 1989. 3 years later, Black & Decker chose to rebrand its professional quality gear as dewalt. The best power tool brands have dependable battery-powered, cordless options, as well. That's where dewalt shines. Among dewalt's highest-rated offerings is its 20V Max XR Impact Driver, with more than 8,405 star ratings on Amazon. With up to 3,400 RPM and 1,835 inch-pounds of torque, driving large-diameter screws is quick and easy. The Max XR Impact Driver also includes a 3 LED light, so you're not driving screws blind. Note, battery and charger are sold separately. Coming in at number 3 is the Skil. Not all power tools are cordless. There are some applications where 120-volt alternating current, AC, power from a wall socket is preferable. The tool itself will have higher output, and you can rely on consistent power delivery rather than starting a job and finding yourself with a battery that's running on fumes. If you're looking for quality corded tools, then Skil is the way to go. This company was founded by Edmund Michel, who invented the circular saw in 1924. Unlike dewalt, Skil still makes the tool that put them on the map, as the company calls it, the saw that built America. Its 15-amp 7.25-inch circular saw features a 5,300 RPM motor, a carbide-tipped blade, a built-in dust blower to keep the line of cut clear, and a single-beam laser to keep that cut straight as an arrow. At number 4, we have the Makita. One small step for man, one giant leap for power tools. In 1969, the same year we landed on the moon, Makita invented the first rechargeable power tool, a battery-powered drill. Not bad for a company that had only been in the power tool business for 11 years. Makita and the power tool industry never looked back and has been one of the best power tool brands ever since. The Makita XFD-10Z rechargeable drill carries on the tradition, with 55 years of research and advancements baked in. A 4-pole motor delivers 480 inch-pounds of max torque. Plus, the drill includes a 2-speed transmission, is dust and water resistant, and has dual LED lighting. Note, battery and charger are sold separately. Number 5. Milwaukee. Milwaukee is another best tool brand with a deep history. Founded in 1924 and instantly recognizable by folks who have served our country. Milwaukee started producing tools for the U.S. Navy in the 1930s and was one of the fastest growing brands in 2022. If there's one breakthrough product that secured Milwaukee's place in the Toolmaker Hall of Fame, there isn't one, but there should be. It's the Sawzall reciprocating saw, introduced in 1951. Milwaukee still makes Sawzalls today, and the most popular is the 26-2120M18, a cordless model with a 3,000 RPM motor. It also features a quick lock blade clamp and an all-metal gearbox, which protects it if it gets dropped. A counterbalance mechanism also reduces vibrations. Note, battery and charger are sold separately. Number 6. Bosch. Quite possibly the most diverse company on our list, Bosch is involved in automotive household appliances, industrial technology, energy efficiency and healthcare, along with power tools. In 1927, its breakthrough power tool product was the first electrically powered hammer drill for use on masonry and concrete. And Bosch still makes such a product today in the 11,255 VSR Bulldog. It's a corded drill that's able to lock a chisel into 36 different positions. Plus, it features a variable speed trigger, a clutch that'll disengage the transmission if the drill bit gets bound up in equal power in forward and reverse. Last, number 7, Ridgid. Ridgid is a 100-year-old toolmaker that's best known for manually operated tools like plumber's wrenches. However, its acquisition by Emerson Electric gave it a foot in the door of power tools as well. Ridgid's product line still has a definite lean toward plumbing and heating, ventilation and air conditioning, HVAC, gear. Among its most popular is its 120-volt drain cleaning machine kit. Having this tool in your collection eliminates a lot of plumber calls, as it can clear clogs in sinks, tubs and showers with a 450 RPM motor, 30-foot inner core cable and 2-piece guide hose. But wait, there's more! This particular kit includes a toilet auger with a kink-resistant 3-foot snake and bulb head.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.